Thanks for parking and listening. This is my truth sharing. I was that student and young adult who found every excuse imaginable not to read because I never felt like I had time. Then realized how important and therapeutic it became over time. So please, 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 you all read so your mind can expand and not shrink. And yes, our brains do shrink when we do not provide it the proper nourishment. And how can you say you're full of life and not exercise your brain? Heck, how can you say you're full of life and not exercise your body? But that's for a different topic on a different date. Reading gives you life. Reading is our brain food. It is the very thing that gives us the brain power to achieve success. And reading frees us from bondage, if you didn't know. So to put it more plainly, reading should be a part of our daily journey. I don't care if you read a paragraph a day, but read something that will stimulate your brain and watch how your entire world shift and grow when you read. You'll start using bigger words and shock yourself like, girl, did I just say pronunciation correctly? Just kidding. But seriously, you can give me a cup of coffee, a glass of room temperature water, a petite scone, an island, no cell phone service, and some good read material, and you think I just found my soulmate, because that's how therapeutic reading is for me when I find a good read. And I easily get lost in it. So read to help you improve your understanding, expose yourself to new things and adventures. Allow reading to be a great tool for strengthening communication skills, enhancing your creativity, and overall, you can gain so much from reading. So do yourself a favor and go purchase your first book or another book. I know I just purchased my new book, 100 Years of Solitude by Gabriel Garcia Marquez, and I am about to get lost in it. So read, and your brain will appreciate you and say, ah. Thanks for listening. Have a great day, and know that I love you guys.